All right, today, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to the local bike shop, Bill's Bike Shop. We're gonna talk to Mark, and we're going to view, he has a new bike there that is very, very exciting. And it is the Specialized Venge. So let me know in the comments section what you think of this bike down below. What's the greatest place in the world? Disneyland. What's the second greatest place? Bike shop.
Bill.
Oh, look at this.
Hello there.
Hey, Mark here?
He's in his office.
All right. Tell him it's video time, or he'll explain. So.
So this is going to be the latest technology from Specialized. The Venge has always been their aero road bike, but they made some more advancements with the new SRAM Axis ETAP 12 speed, which is
12 speed.
12 speed.
I thought it only went up to 10.
Yeah,
No, this goes to 11.
It's out on 11 there.
Yeah, but this goes to 11. 12 speed. Amazing.
And the wireless systems are just so nice to work with. It's really clean. It's simple to set up.
I don't see any wires.
No wire.
See that? No. Amazing.
So there's batteries on each derailleur, which you can just pop off and put on the charging port. Makes it real simple. If you're out on a ride and one happens to die, which is kind of unusual because they last for a long time, you can just swap batteries. So you
Oh,
can
from
at
the
least
front.
get them.
Oh, okay.
Another unique thing about the new 12-speed is unique gear ratios. Since they have a wider gear range in the back, the gear ratios are much tighter, which racers like. No big jumps between gears. So it's a 10-tooth small cog, which is the first of its kind. But then, you know, you jump all the way up to a 33-tooth cog, which still gives you a wide range of gears for climbing. So it's definitely unique. These new bikes from Specialized, the Venge and the Tarmac, actually come with power meters included with the SRAM Red ETAP.
Power meter included.
Power meter included.
That means it measures your power. It doesn't give you power.
I wish.
It doesn't come with bigger thighs? No,
doesn't.
okay.
They have the power saddle, which doesn't give you any more power also, but it also is very comfortable, and a lot of pro riders are using this even though they may be sponsored by other saddle companies. So they have to cover up the logos.
Yeah, okay. And disc brakes.
Internal hydraulic disc brake hoses, so you don't see anything. The deep dish carbon fiber wheels with the cotton tires are fantastic. The bike feels like a rocket ship. It's amazing. Pretty cool stuff.
Wow.
You need one.
Actually, I need one. Just as a joke. Does it come with rim brakes? No, that's 1980.
And it comes with the mounts for Garmin's, GoPros. It comes with a lot of extra features as well, so nice stuff.
So what is the weight of it?
It's not their lightest bike. This one's right around 16 pounds. But this is made to be a super stiff, aerodynamic, fast bike, not made to be their lightest.
It's not a climbing bike. It's when you go on so you have to change bikes when you go uphill. That was a pretty cool looking bike. So let me know in the comments section what you think of this thing. And if you like my videos, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, ask in the comments section below.